This video is brought to you by Lunatron Productions.
The event's been really useful to meet many different companies within the water management and monitoring space.
It's a really important conversation that needs to be had about water politics, water management, integrated river basin management and data sharing.
And then this year we can see that a lot of water authority, a lot of interaction between the solution provider and the authorities.
And this is the best platform for us, for Renhill itself, to get more opportunities in water industry.
I feel like I've come here and made a lot of contacts. It's been a really good educational experience for me.
The conference was excellent. There was lots of different variety in the topics that were going on.
I found the exhibition to be very focused in all sorts of areas, all manner of water management.
This video is brought to you by Lunatron Productions.